Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button on our channel, and you can follow me individually at Just Analysis 1 and at Kosh at Muñeco 0. Taking a look here at Cardano. Cardano, of course, it's probably like one of the most beaten up major altcoins, hands down. It's going on its 7th consecutive month lower. There's still a lot of the month of March left, and March is generally a turning point for a lot of financial instruments, and a lot of that has to do with seasonal cycles and Gann analysis, but I'll get into that in the Bitcoin video. But for right now, just looking at Cardano, just kind of an update on it. The composite index reached an all-time low and last month, and had a nice bounce. We're still above the 618 fib retracement, but when you look at the volume profile, especially if we go down to like the weekly chart, the volume profile from the extended 2021 volume profile, it's fairly non-existent below that 77 to 76 cents area. And when you look down below, you really don't see a support zone really come in until 35 to 36 cents. That's the next zone. But on the monthly chart, it's very, very oversold. On the weekly chart, it's oversold. And yeah, you could see some fireworks coming up there. But taking a look at the daily, a little bit of a bounce here going on today. There was some hope last week that we'd see the beginning of a new uptrend given Monday's strength. But of course, that just retraced the whole way. And we're just continuing to see a pretty broad move south. When you look at the Tuesday's high to where we are now, we've had like a 21% wipe in value, but so far it's holding the 618 retracement near that 78 cent level. Nothing really indicating that it would hold. When you look at the RSI on the daily chart, it's in bear market conditions. Probably helps if I set that there. So the oversold conditions are 30 and 40, and the overbought are 55 and 65. And we're just kind of a hair above that first oversold level at 30. Very neutral in the optics bands. The composite index itself is actually sitting fairly neutral as well. 2022 volume point of control is all the way up at $1.05. So there's some room to move higher here, but the downside risks look very much like the name of the game until there's some positive risk on environment in financial markets in general. I think it just continue to see a slow bleed. The downside risks here are substantial. I really don't see any support showing up until possibly 63 cents, where the 100% fib extension is, but otherwise, this is pointing to a return to 35 cents at that 1618 level, kind of an area that we looked at last week. So, but yeah, that does it for me on Cardano. Again, thank you everybody for watching. Please don't forget to like. Well, you know what? Forgot to mention upside potential. Really $1, until we go over this again on Friday. If it does reach $1, I'd be surprised this week, unless there's something really positive that comes out. But yeah, that'll be where it's headed to max at $1. Of course, you get some positive sentiment regarding the Russia-Ukraine conflict, and things will turn around very fast. But otherwise, yeah, $1 is the limit. And as far as downside potential, it's significant, all the way down to that 35 cent range. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.